from each of them. Alright, you can start now, Judge.
Hello, beautiful girls. So I must say we have a pretty Barbie dolls over here right now. Let's start with this small one. A very cute Barbie doll. Contestant number 21. First of all, tell me how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling fine.
Very good, very good. So I would like to ask you a very simple question. The question is that what was the best surprise that your mommy papa gave you and on what occasion?
My mom and dad gave me a birthday party last year, which was very surprising for me. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. A very big clap for this little dog. So now next moving to the contestant number 35. Alright. So my question to you is that what do you want to be when you grow up?
And successful model,
Alright. Anything else?
doctor.
You want to be a doctor?
Yes.
Okay, that's pretty good answer. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now let's move to contestant number 49, right? Okay, 49. So my next question to you is that what have you learned from this beauty pageant?
The thing that I learned from this beauty pageant is that it's not just a win, but it's the willingness to prepare for winning.
Very
So
good.
yes, and I learned to build the confidence and to enjoy the moment.
So would you like to continue your knowledge towards for your beauty pageant? In the future beauty pageant?
Yes, I have been doing pageants for around 5 years.
Okay.
Yes, and yeah, I met you at I guess it was in Guwahati.
Alright.
Yeah.
So you're dreaming of to go more forward,
Yes.
right? Very good.
I'm aiming for Miss Universe.
Very nice. That's a wonderful answer. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Let's move to contestant number 50. Okay. What do you think you would make a great winner today? What makes you different than others?
I believe myself and I think that I'm good with others. I'm not saying that all are bad, all are good also.
Okay.
I believe that I can do good much.
Alright. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's move to the last but not the least. Contestant number 51. We have a gorgeous lady standing up here. So, the last question to you is that what three things makes you happiest?
First, dance.
Yeah.
Second is modeling.
Okay.
Third is play with the friends and join.
Wonderful answer. Thank you so much. Give a huge round of applause for all the beautiful doll out here. Now just wait for 1 minute. Let me see your contestant numbers. What was the contestant number? 51. Let's start. Alright.
51.
51. Okay.
My contestant number is 50.
Contestant number 50.
Contestant number 49.
Contestant number 49.
My contestant number is 35.
Contestant number 35. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Alright, they have answered all the questions very nicely. Good luck. All the Miss Kids Bodoland 2021. Thank you.